Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to fully load your Amazon Fire TV stick. Our first step is going to be downloading the app called Downloader. I already have it on my device, but in case you do not, go to search on your Fire Stick and you have to type Downloader here. So as you can see, it popped out at the bottom. If it didn't in your case, just type in the whole name. If it didn't in your case, just type in the whole name of the application. And here's the Downloader app, which you have to download to your Fire Stick. Then the next step is we have to go to the settings, as we need to enable the developer options and allow our downloader to install other apps from the internet. If you have the developer options here, then everything is fine. But in case you do not yet, you have to go to About and click 7 times on your select button while selecting the Fire TV stick. So let's try. As you can see at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer in my case. In your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So just go back a bit and you will finally see the developer options here. So go next, turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps and make sure that installation of unknown apps is enabled for your downloader. Then just go back to the Downloader app, select Home here on the left side, and here we'll have to type a code, which is 28907. It's a code for a website called firetvsticks.com, which belongs to a pretty famous YouTuber, Tanya. You'll scroll down a bit and you'll see different categories of apps such as anime, antivirus, app stores, browsers, and so on. And today we are looking for the app stores, so select the app stores here. Then scroll a bit and select Aptoide TV here. If you get any ad here, just make sure to close it. Then a new page will open and you'll have to scroll down again. Scroll until you see that little download button. Press on it. And now the download has started. Usually it doesn't take long. Then press on install in the right bottom corner. And then before pressing open, press on done. And here we'll be able to delete the installation file because we do not need it anymore, but it clogs the memory of your Fire TV stick device, so always delete the installation files. Now just go back to the home screen, to the list of applications of your device, and here's the Aptoide TV which we just downloaded. So that's how you fully load your Fire TV stick. I will not open the Aptoide TV on camera because YouTube may not like it, but after you open it, you'll see loads of free apps, streaming, games, different utilities, antiviruses, and pretty much software of any kind, and free of charge. So using the Aptoide TV is definitely one of the best ways to fully load your Fire Stick because it's really easy to use and of course it's free. So I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button and of course subscribe my channel for more tutorials on your Fire TV stick. Good luck!